Hi everyone. In this video, we learn the builder design pattern using a simple e-commerce example. In e-commerce applications, when a customer places an order, the order may have many details like customer name, product name, gift wrap option, coupon code, and many. So some of these fields are optional. Now first, I'll show you the bad way, then we'll fix it using builder design pattern. So if you see this class, the code creates an order using the constructor. So it creates the order using this constructor by passing these values. So if you see this order class, we developed a constructor here and passing all those values here. So basically we call it as a all argument constructor. Here we see the constructor takes multiple values. The problem is when we write something like this, like passing all the values into the constructor, it's very confusing. Suppose let's say we are passing some discount code, then we need to check where the discount code is exactly. So here the discount code is the fourth one, the fourth parameter. So for every field we need to check that. So there is product name, we need to go and check where the product name is, so it's the second one. Then we need to write the product name in the second argument. So in this example there might be only 4, but in real-time application there could be dozens of values, so it would be very confusing and it's hard to map the values. So as more fields comes in, the constructor becomes bigger and harder to manage. So this is the main problem. Now let's see how the builder design pattern solves this problem. Builder means instead of passing everything inside a constructor, we build the object step by step with readable method. So the object creation becomes easier and clear. By the way, let me run this bad practice of the builder pattern so that you can see the output. So there you go. We printed the order object with the help of this overrided toString method. Okay, now let's move to the good way of using the builder pattern. Let me close the old files. Okay, so let's look into the order model again. Here we are created a nested builder class. So this is the nested builder class. Now instead of one huge constructor like we did earlier, so instead of having this big constructor, we are having a individual methods that builds each and every value of the object. So instead of the huge constructor, we have methods like customer name, product name, gift wrapper, coupon code. In each method, we build each field of the object. So in this customer name method, we pass the customer name as the parameter and we build the objects, order objects customer name with the passed parameter and we return the object. So here this refers to the order object. So basically we are constructing the customer name field and returning that object. So if we look into the main method, here we are just calling not this one, this one. So here we are just creating the object and calling the builder class methods and we are passing the values into those setter methods step by step. So here we are building the order object step by step. So this is much more readable and easy to assign the values to the proper fields of the object, and it is very clear what each value means. So that is builder pattern. In a nutshell, in the bad version, the constructor becomes confusing with many parameters. But in the good version, the builder makes object creation clean and readable. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.